Hey guys, and welcome to the Next Way Trading. My name is Lester. Today on this video, let's go to have another live trading session with the turbo strategy for binary options, the 1 minute. I have an indicator that's going to help you to trade with this strategy. This strategy is the one that I use in using 3 moving average. Remember, it's the best for me, the best strategy that I use it. And I like to trade with this turbo strategy for binary options and with the broker pocket option. Okay, I created this strategy using or trading with the broker pocket option, but I have a robot, a signals provider actually. You can find it, the link below this video. I'm gonna leave it, and you can download this indicator for binary options. But let's go to trade live. The indicator is going to send these signals to know where or when it's got a good moment to enter the signal. My advice is put the same moving average to know if it is a good signal to take it or not. Saying that, let's go to have a live trading session using this turbo strategy for binary options. And I saw I lost a good opportunity. So maybe I start my video too late. Let's go trade with $1,000 and see if I can have profits with this turbo strategy for binary options. What is going to be the rules? The rules are so simple. We are going to trade only follow the trend. Only when we are going to trade follow the trend. The 200 moving average is going to tell us what type of trend we have. If it is the 200 moving average is below the chart, we have an uptrend, and if the 200 moving average is above the chart, we have a downtrend. So and the moment they cross each other, the yellow moving average and the white moving average, this is the yellow, this is the white, and this is the yellow, and crossing going up, we are going to trade for a call. Why I take it for a call on this example? Well, for a simple reason, I have a stronger resistance here with this candle. That means the price is not going down yet. It's going to start going down, but not now. And if you notice, this case was a beauty with this strategy. I can trade here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Maybe I just going to take it for, I don't know, for 3 times around. But it was a beauty moment to trade with this strategy for binary options. We had the first one, and the first trade was on profits for me. Let's look at this. It's unstable. I have my money. I'm going out of there. And the same scenario for a put examples. We are going to trade for a put, and the moment they cross in each other, the moving average. Here we don't trade. Remember, we are going to trade only follow the trend. So here is our moment to trade. Cross it, we trade for a put, 1 and 3. Maybe 3 times we can have on profits with this indicator for binary options, with this turbo strategy for binary options. Avoid this unstable market, or maybe only if you have a green candle or stronger green candle, we are going to trade. But this is unstable market. We don't need that. We don't need it. The binary stock gap is going to do the same thing here. It's going to send you a few alerts, and the moment they cross in each other, this 2 moving average. But don't recognize this unstable market. The indicator don't recognize that. For that reason, my advice is you need to use in the moving average to know if the signals are good or not. I can't make the indicator recognize a Polska market or triple news or on the moment they crash the market. I don't know. The indicator don't recognize that. Only recognize in the moment they cross in each other the 2 moving average. So my advice is using the moving average to know where or when it's going to be the good moment to trade. Look at this. Green, red candle, another green candle. I don't know if you take it again. It's the same currency pairs. I think I'll have a good profits for this recording live trading session. So I think it's enough for this pair. Only if you have another good signal. Okay, why I don't take this signal? Because it's going down, yes. Crossing each other, yes. But the idea is you learn how to follow only the trend. We have an uptrend here, so it's not good for us. So I don't gonna take it here. Cross it. We take it in the money. Maybe this one of the money, but all the rest was in deep in the money. And look at this. Just like I say, cross it, but have a green candles, a stronger green candles. Maybe the good opportunity for me is if you cross it here and start going up again, I can have a good and profitable signals with this. Let's go to it. What happened here? The indicator is gonna recognize and send you this signal. Maybe send you this another signal here. Just like I said before, if you want to use my indicator, using with the 200 moving average and with the 3 moving average, 8 and 60, and that you're gonna have a better idea when or where is a good moment to take the signal. It's just like that. This scenario is going to help you to understand how to trade with this strategy for binary options in 1 minute. It's going to close only in 20 seconds. It's a dip in the money, and we have a good profits just in 1 and 2 trades, and a short video with 10 minutes. I showed you how to earn money and what's a dip in the money. I showed you in this video how to earn $1,800 in 10 minutes. I think it's a great video. I'm gonna stop right now. I hope this video like it. Please leave your comments. I'm gonna leave the link below in this video of the binary stock app. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, activate the notification bell, and see you in the next wave.